Oscar! Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. I'm going over to my two little, I don't know, let's just say acquaintances that I met since I've been here. They operate two different stalls. One has the tejuino and the other one has a kind of icy that I liked. I tried one yesterday called rompope, and it was very good. Muy rico. Hola Coral, how are you? Oh my gosh, I forgot what I was. Oh no, Spanish. Why? Sí. ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? What does it mean? It's
like,
how are you?
How are you?
Yeah, ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal?
Bien.
Bien. Ah, sí. Yeah. I love. It's pretty good. It is pretty good. So he has these really cool things here. ¿Cómo se dice?
Bolis?
Bolis?
Bolis.
Traditional name.
Bolis.
Yeah. And he speaks English pretty well, so I am glad.
Yeah, the trademark is lechísimo. The mark of the bolis is lechísimo.
Oh, lechísimo. Yeah. Oh, lechísimo.
Yeah,
okay, I see. So this is his family-owned business. He's a YouTuber. Yeah, he's a YouTuber.
I try to be.
Bigger than me. 84,000 subscribers, huh?
Yeah, man.
Anyone with leche. Yeah, he's a pretty big YouTuber. He does motivational speaking. Yeah, he does motivational speaking about body transformation. He said that he used to be bullied and then he started working on his body. Man, I added this guy on, we exchanged Instagram and I didn't even look at his Instagram photos because it felt really weird. That's how fit this guy is. That's how hard this guy has worked out and has gotten his body transformed. It's ridiculous.
What can do?
Like vanilla and chocolate, we have.
It's normal.
That's normal, right?
Sí, no, ayer le di arroz con... No, ayer le di rompope. Hola, ¿qué tal? Claro que sí. ¿En una bolsa o así está bien?
¿Mañana?
No, arroz con leche. El que te dije ayer, arroz con leche.
Okay.
Rice with milk or other, I think.
That's like horchata?
Something like
similar.
that.
Okay. Similar. Yeah. You want to be on my video? See? Yay! This is my friend Coral. Hola. It's nice to... Yeah. So I didn't want to put her on the video because some people are afraid, nervoso, but her, no. Yeah, she was the one who got me the tejuino. Muy rico. Very good.
Es de Jalisco, una bebida de Jalisco.
Jalisco?
Sí.
Jalisco?
Jalisco, Guadalajara is a state.
Another state. That's where tejuino is from?
Yeah.
So she's saying tejuino originated from Guadalajara?
Exactly.
Ah, sí. Are you? ¿De dónde va? No, ¿de dónde?
¿De dónde soy?
¿De dónde soy?
¿Dónde nací?
Yeah, where are you from?
¿De dónde eres?
De aquí de Cancún. Yo soy nacida en Cancún.
She's from here.
From Cancún?
Yeah.
Ah, sí, awesome. She's been very nice to me. Very nice. And this guy too. It's been awesome.
Yo igual tengo mami.
I will try, mame. Yeah. I saw a picture on YouTube. Mame.
Mame, it's a, I think, ¿es mexicana esa fruta?
Yo digo que
I think it's a Mexican fruit.
I think so. I believe
But
mame.
I don't know. Cajeta, pero cajeta no es como que...
dulce de leche.
Do you know sweet milk or how do you say?
I will try it, man. I don't care. I eat everything.
No, es que lo que pasa es que hay un video donde Star-Lord, el de Guardianes de la Galaxia, sí le dice.
So this is what I got, guys. I tried rompope yesterday.
Yeah.
I tried and it was good. True. See?
Gracias.
Yeah. See.
¿Quieres uno?
¿De qué?
This one, rompope yesterday was good. This, amazing. This is
Dulce de leche, cajeta.
Dulce de leche. Oh my gosh. This is like in Jamaica, the suck. we call suck back in the day. But it's creamy. Look at this. Like it doesn't just flow out. Look, you see? See? Very creamy. Like the milk. Oh my god! In his business, he made it himself. They make. Oh my gosh!
Yeah,
I love Mexico.
that if you have, if you are lucky.
How much to?
It's
gratis.
free.
Repeats. What's the name? Parque.
Parque
Cava.
Cava. La 44
Parque
lo deja
Cava.
enfrente.
Yeah. If you take the 44 bus, the number 44, yeah, you're ¿cómo se dice bajar?
Le puedes decir que lo deje ahí en el Parque Cava de
You can ask for to the bus driver.
Yeah.
Where is Parque Cava?
Okay, Parque Cava. Is it on the hotel strip?
No, it's
here.
Yeah.
Parque Cava. I will Instagram you.
In
If
bus,
I forget.
In bus, you
Lo puede buscar en Google Maps.
like 5 minutes ago.
I will put it in my phone. So my friend just gave me information on the map about where to go, which is awesome. So I have that here on my map. I will check. But yeah, right here. So he said I should come to this map. Parque Cava.
Yeah.
Urban.
Urban.
Okay, cool. I have a question. I'm gonna ask both of you this question. As a Mexican, do you think Mexico is dangerous?
Que si como mexicanos nosotros pensamos que México es peligroso.
Yo digo, dependiendo de la zona.
Exist different zones, man.
Different zones.
Yeah. Like every place, I think.
Cancun, safe.
I think in general, yes, it's safe.
I asked because in my videos, my friends or my subscribers, they say, "Oh, you walk around Cancun like you live here. Aren't you scared?" But I say to them, "Yeah, it's like everywhere in the world.
Yeah, exactly.
If you go to New York, some parts of New York
Are dangerous.
dangerous.
Yeah.
Some parts.
Yeah,
Who cares? It's the same thing. So you say it's just a zone. Some areas, yeah.
This area,
Good.
I told you yesterday that it's good.
We think the same thing. Zonas.
Que si piensas que la zona que va por zonas y que si piensas que esta zona está bien.
Esta zona es segura. Yo digo que es más segura esta zona.
This zone is
Zones.
safe.
I think so. Even just being here, like just walking around, I honestly feel like I'm at home.
Yeah.
I feel like Jamaica. I tell people that here is like an American Jamaica,
Yeah.
but in Spanish.
That's a good recreation thing.
I think that's exactly what it is, man. It's ridiculous.
Divide esas partes porque si dividieras, no sé, de la Portillo para este lado, como que tiende a ser como que, no sé, o menos inseguro que de la Portillo para aquel lado, o cosas así, no sé. Porque también de aquel lado queda...
I'm pretending as if I understand. No entiendo.
I tried to say that exists an avenue, a really important, a very important avenue that called Lopez Portillo that divides the city. That's very safety zone to not too safety.
So where I will go, I'm on the Caribe stretch.
Yeah.
Tolón, La Playa del Carmen. Good.
If you go to very tourism zones, it's too good to visit.
Perfect. So you hear that, guys? If you come to Cancun, Tolón, La Playa del Carmen, all of those places in the tourism zone, like where the beach is, you're good.
Exactly.
No problem.
Yeah, because I think the news are guilty for that because I think the news is a guilty business. It's a dirty business because there is two very interesting. I don't know how to say.
They phenomenalize things. They make things bigger than they are to sell the news.
Exactly.
Yeah. Don't go to Mexico, everyone. And then people go, oh, the news is amazing
if you
today.
go to this place, you are going to die.
Exactly. It's ridiculous, man. It's ridiculous. And you guys can see, like, every person that I've come to Mexico and I've met with, Oscar, Coral, and other people from over there, and like everyone has been very good, very nice with me. Like To be honest, better than Jamaica.
Dice que, por ejemplo, que conociendo a las personas, por ejemplo, como tú, como yo, dice que somos muy buenas personas. Dice que inclusive mejor que Jamaica, ¿no?
Yeah, it's better because in the sense that like they're just very friendly people, like friendly to everyone, which you know, which I like. Sometimes when I go to some places in my own country, it's like, oh yes, hurry up and buy, you know. But here it's a lot better. I don't mean to say it in a very bad way, but it just shows that the customer service here, as far as I've gotten so far, has been good. And I'm not talking about just food places. Yesterday I went to put on data on my phone, and the people there were very helpful. And the funny part is they don't understand what you're saying fully, but they're willing to, like, you know, put in the extra effort just so that you can be served. And it's, guys, I'm gonna make a video on this another day, but I paid 100 pesos. That's only $5 for one whole month of internet service on my phone. And the customer service that I got was worth more than that. But anyway, I'm done.
Es una comida con
maíz mole.
¿Ya lo vamos con Alex?
Estoy bien triste.
¿Se cayó?
Se me cayó el celular. Colors comparing with 7X.
So you're saying if, yeah, we were just talking just now about the hotels and why I decided to travel this way, but you were saying one day in the all-inclusive 5,000 pesos.
The other day I hear that.
You heard, and that's a rough estimate because there are different hotels here. There's the Rio Hotel, Ibero Star. There's so many, but let's calculate that really quick. So 5,000 pesos divided by 18. One day, $277. Guys, I've been here from Tuesday and now it is Monday, and I started out with $300 US. I still have money left. So think about it. Already, that $300 would have just been on just one night somewhere where you're not gonna get the full experience of the country. You're not gonna see everything. What I think, if you want to stay in an all-inclusive hotel, stay in the one in your country because it's going to be the same thing. Hotel, pool, beach, whatever the case is, you know. But yeah, I'm still on my $300. I'm going to do a video on that to show you how I spent my money in the time that I've been here.
And that is a really good experience because you don't have that experience in a hotel.
Exactly, when you go out.
When you go out.
Makes sense. Quick tip, quick FYI, in Cancun, or in Mexico in general, as I've noticed so far, when it comes into the evening, that is when you're going to be getting like more street food options. But unfortunately, these ones out here, they're a bit more Americanized. It's the same burgers and sausages and stuff like that, which I don't quite want to try. But there's a space back there where a lady I saw selling tamales, and I'll be doing a video on that, trying tamales for the first time. It's, as I heard, it's like a corn type of flour thing that has meat and salsa verde, green sauce inside of it. So I'm gonna try it and tell you guys how it is. Hopefully she doesn't take too long to get here, but I don't mind because my stomach is still full from that mole. Beautiful.
Oh, soy la menos.
Es rarísimo.
Because we have you have to try marquesita.
So she wanted to touch my hair. Go ahead.
Wow. Tan extraño. Es muy diferente.
It's different. I know. Can I touch yours?
Sí.
My first time.
Wow.
Mexican here. Yeah. I knew someone would say that because even for me, when I see Mexicans, when I look at your hair, I'm looking at the different, like the quality. Like I can see, like I can say, yeah, that person is Mexican because the hair quality is different, you know. And I know as black people, when we travel, people see our hair and they go,
That's here. It's not from here.
Exactly. Ah, that's funny. I see your pun.
That's
Good job. Good job. Adios, Coral.
Adiós.
Bad hair day. Say, translate. Bad hair day. With the helmet. Yeah, bad hair day. It means the hair will be messed up.
Ah, que te vas a perder el cabello.
Adios, bro. He looks super serious. He looks super serious.